Welcome to my channel. First thing we have to do the pen string. First we have to take one rubber band and one pen and one refill and one safety pin. Next we have to do like this and we have to take this off. I already do it like that only here. Like this. Apply the glue here. And we have to do like this, like me. Then we have to keep here. Then we have to put here like this, and we have to press it, and we have to like this. Here some, and here some. Then we have to do like this. It is so loose. You also having loose one like this, no? So you have to do like this. You don't have loose means you don't like do. Then we have to take this one and put like this one. Like this, and we have to take the safety pin. No, we have to take the rubber band and put like here, and we have to stick it. It's so hard. Like this. The rubber band should be very strong. You also use rope or like this glue gun. After you finish, we have to put. After we finished, then we have to take this safety pin and like this, like me. Like this we have to do. Then we have to take this one and like this. Then we have to take. Stick like this. No, sorry. We have to take and this. The glue gun here. The glue gun should be very strong. You also try in your house. It is so nice, and you have to attack all the things like this. Yeah, we have to attack that like this. Then we have to attack. Thank you for watching. Subscribe my channel.